Hello viewers, welcome back to another brand new video in our channel TechVideos. In this video, we are sharing with you how you can edit a PDF file using Microsoft Word. So keep watching till the end and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for never miss any videos. Today I am using an Android phone, but this will work on either an iPhone. First off, we need to install Microsoft Office apps. So I am opening Google Play Store. If you are on an iPhone, click on the App Store. After open Play Store or App Store, search Microsoft Office. Click on the search box. Type in here Microsoft Office. Once you finish typing, let's click on the search icon. Install these apps. These apps own our Microsoft Corporation. I have already installed it, so I am clicking on the Open button. After open Microsoft Office, click on the folder icon at the top right corner. In here, click on the device option and bring up your PDF file. You can also bring up your PDF file from Google Drive. I want to bring up my file from phone storage, so click on the device option. Download. I want to edit this PDF file, so clicking on this PDF file. Here you can see opened my PDF file. After open PDF file, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Then select Convert to PDF. It's converted. From here, you can edit your file. I want to remove this point. Selecting and remove it. Now I want to add some text, so I am typing. After edit it completed, click on the OK icon from top left hand corner. Now I want to save my file in PDF format. So click on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Click on the print option. In here you can see my edited file. Click on the PDF icon for save this PDF file in PDF format. Select location where you want to save. I want to save in internal storage, so click on the save option. Now I want to check my PDF file. Open File Explorer. Internal storage. Scroll down the page. In here you can see my edited PDF file. So I hope you enjoyed this simple video. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for never miss any videos. Share this video with your friends who want to know how to edit PDF file.